I'm happy to tell you, I'm happy to reveal that no, this game is not rotten. There's fucking Amiga ass music playing here. And the reason why we have this Amiga ass energy, let's call it this double anal energy, is that this is Super SWIV on the Super Nintendo, which is itself a sequel to the game SWIV that you'll remember for the Amiga. Look at these Amiga ass graphics here. So, I know what you're immediately thinking. You're thinking, Rab, is this game rotten? Look at that Amiga ass font there, by the way. I'm happy to tell you, I'm happy to reveal that no, this game is not rotten. So in Super SWIV, as in SWIV, you're choosing between a jeep and a helicopter to play as. Now I'm playing obviously in single player here, and I've chosen my favourite, the jeep. It is an absolute treat playing as this jeep. I think the jeep is what makes SWIV work for me, because this thing where you're able to choose 8 directions, you're able to, once you start firing, kind of hold yourself in that position you choose. It makes this a very different feeling vertical scroller. But you know, as time passes, that kind of look becomes somewhat nostalgic. And I actually think it's not even really a negative anymore. What you get to focus on is the fact that this is a really tight, really fun to play, really challenging shoot-'em-up game that has this fantastic novelty of being this Jeep. But don't worry, it still basically sounds and plays and looks like an Amiga game. I kind of feel like if you've got a Super Nintendo and if you were an Amiga guy, this is one of the games you need to have in your collection, because it evokes all the nice memories.